Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla. In the last video, we'll see. We have done how to do actions using the action list inside Horilla list. Now let's change the concept to custom actions method inside Horilla. So Horilla listing. So this method is used to if you have if you need complete responsibility for the cell. In that case, you can use the custom action method. So basically, uh, we just need a function that return the component that contain these few actions. So I'm just commenting this list from here. Now just type for action method. From here, I can provide a method name. Uh, Also, the method need to be present inside the model. Then only the action will become like yeah, custom shift actions for now. Inside that, now let's monkey patch the function to shift request. If you want, you can directly add the function to the shift request model. So, if you, I prefer do not override something in the inside the source code. So we will be monkey patch this function to custom function to shift request model. Yeah, self will be the default args. Let's provide documentation shift action. Then it will return it will return a render template function. Render template. It's a CB method. It is a CB method. Here is a render template. It will be initially accept the path and the context. Separate. Okay, let's import that function from Horilla views. .cb methods import render template. This will be taking the custom template name. Template not is take in the path. For example, we can create a custom template inside our custom app. There's a template folder. Let's create a file called uh, uh, custom shift request action for now. .html actions.html. Yeah. Okay. Now let's add the path over here. We'll be adding. It will be inside. It's definitely I will set template because we directly add it inside the template directory. We set customer. So inside the from here, let's add pass the context of the instance for now. Yeah, instance will be set and context. Okay. Now let's use this instance. Okay, it's just a basic template. Yeah. Then let's monkey pass the function to shift request. So shift request dot custom shift action equal to custom shift action. So we are now we are doing this function is dynamically adding to the shift request model. If you want, you can directly add the function inside shift request, but I didn't prefer. It will be affecting the config when you pull the latest call from it. So for now, you can make use of this concept. Then okay, we are creating a function and map it to the shift request. Also, inside the action method, I will just mention the action name, custom action name. Now come back to here. So you can see now the instance is showing over here. From here, you can provide your custom actions. So you have to note the custom method will be taking render template. That render template function will be available inside HorillaView CB methods. So the action custom action, you can provide your custom actions like button alert or width. Similarly, add the fabric. When you refresh, you can see that those two buttons showing our shape. That's how you add custom template for an action inside HorillaListView. I hope you understand this video. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment.